Alright, I think I'm sitting at the weirdest gas station I've ever been to. At least the busiest. I am presently less than an hour away from Mike's. I had to stop and needed some caffeine. I was getting a little droopy behind the, well, not behind the wheel, but behind the handlebars. I mixed 2 drink mixes into this, that caffeine drink mix. It's really strong. Oh. So far the day I have not hit any rain. Well, a few sprinkles, a lot of fog. But I got lucky with the weather, I think. Hopefully this mic's picked me up well enough. Turn it on auto record just in case too. But yeah, not only is this gas station hard to get to, it's busy. I don't know if that's because gas is $4.11.9. And so far the cooler, and as I mentioned, the cooler, bringing the food with me has really been good. Saved me quite a bit of money. A bunch of time I'd like to save, I'm not really sure if that's true because I'm packing it, putting it back on. That takes time. It might have been faster to go to a restaurant. But you give a little, take a little. Having universal TV. What the hell did I just do that for? I don't know what's happened. Bring the universal TV remote, the HDMI cable, and the adapter to my iPad. Once again paid off. I was able to get it into the TV, as I mentioned, and watch what I wanted to watch on TV last night. Usually it's not a problem if they have HDMI, ID channel, but you know, this might be the problem here. I'm at a Walmart. Is this a Murphy gas station? Oh, it is. It's a Murphy Extra. Wow, that explains why it's so busy. But I'm going to get this done and I'm going to get back on the road.